Namaste everyone. Bharti Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In last few sutras, we explored Abhyas and Vairagya, practice and detachment, the twin wings of yoga. Through practice of Abhyas and Vairagya, the restless mind becomes clear, quiet, and inwardly steady. And Sutra 1.17 is Vitark Vichar Anand Asmita Rupanugamat Sampragnat, meaning when the concentration is reached with the help of reasoning, reflection, bliss, and pure I amness, it is called Sampragnat Samadhi. Maharishi Patanjali now describes the first type of Samadhi, Sampragnat Samadhi, with consciousness or awareness. In this state, the mind is deeply focused. All distractions have dissolved, yet a faint awareness of the object of meditation still remains. This is also called Sabij Samadhi, with seed, because even in deep stillness, the mind still holds subtle object of concentration. Here, Maharishi Patanjali outlines four progressive stages. The first is Vitarka. Vitarka is logical reasoning or meditation on the gross object. So the focus may be on body, breath, mantra, or deity form. The awareness is still connected to form and thought. Next is Vichar, reflection. Reflection on subtle and inner realities. The focus shifts from gross to finer aspects like energy, subtle elements, principles of creation. The awareness becomes inward and refined. Third is Ananda. Anand is natural bliss that arises when the mind becomes still. It is not external pleasure, it is joy of resting in stillness. Fourth is Asmita, pure I amness, awareness of consciousness itself. At this stage, all other stages, Vitark, Vichar, Anand, all outer objects disappear. Only pure being remains. I am without qualification. So these four stages, Vitark, Vichar, Anand, Asmita, represent mind's journey from gross to subtle, from outer world to the threshold of the self. At this stage, it is beautiful to remember Maharishi Patanjali's earlier teachings on Vairagya. In Sutra 1.15 and 16, he described two levels of Vairagya, Apar Vairagya and Par Vairagya. Apar Vairagya is cultivated through conscious efforts by withdrawing from desires, disciplining the mind, and observing attachments. And Par Vairagya arises naturally when the awareness touches its own source. In that moment, detachment is not practiced, it simply is. In Sampragnat Samadhi, these two meet. Aparvairagya matures into Parvairagya. Effort becomes effortless. The seeker no longer tries to let go. The clinging naturally dissolves. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Imagine learning a musical instrument. At first, you are focused on technique, the notes, the rhythm, the placement. That is the first stage of Vitarka. Then you begin to understand the feeling and the flow of that music. The second stage, Vichara. And then you are moved by the beauty of what you play. You enjoy. Third stage, Anand. And then finally, the music plays through you. The player and the sound become one. Fourth stage, Asmita. This sutra marks the turning point in Samadhipada. Up till now, Maharishi Patanjali taught us the tools, Abhyas and Vairagya. Now he begins to reveal the fruits, the inner state that unfolds when these tools are applied. Through Sampragnat Samadhi, the mind transcends the outer and inner disturbances and begins to experience the luminous clarity of the self. Ask yourself, where is my meditation anchored today? Vitark, Vichar, Anand, Asmita. Do I still try to control, or am I allowing the silence to naturally deepen? So, the essence of this Sutra 1.17 is, in Sampragnat Samadhi, the mind is not entirely arrested but is in partially arrested state. Therefore, it is inevitable that it will require a basis or object of concentration progressing from Vitarka, Vichar, Anand, and Asmita. It is the gateway where the effort of practice matures into the grace of realization. We learnt in this Sutra 1.17 the clear distinction between these four inner stages and their connection with Abhyas and Vairagya, and the practical progression from gross to subtle to blissful to pure being. So, this was about Sutra 1.17, and we will meet in the next episode with our next Sutra. Namaste.